Alright, so first step to soldering an SMD LED to wires is taking your two wires, which are pretty thin. I think these are 32 gauge, if I'm not mistaken. What you want to do is tin the tip of your solder iron so you got some solder on it. Get your wire and just rub it on the end, just like that. As soon as you touch it to the wire, solder will stick. Just like that, just so the end is exposed, just slightly. So now that we've got two ends exposed, get my helping hand over here so you can see. I'm going to take one of my SMD LEDs here. It's the red one, pretty sure. And I'm going to put it into my helping hands, like so. Let's see if I can get a better angle. There you go. You can see that now. So now that I've got that on there, I want to tin the tip of my SMD so that it's got a little bit of solder on it. So tin the tip of my soldering iron again, just like so. I just want to touch it, just like that quickly. Now I've got solder on there, and I've got solder on my little wire. So I'm going to touch the two of them together, and then just touch this briefly again. Alright. A little briefer. It doesn't stick. There you go. Turn it around. Do the same for the other side. Now that we've got them together, what I'm going to do is just hold the ends together like that. Give it a little bit of a twist. And pinch it here and twist and pull. Twist and pull. Coming out of the end. So you get a nice long line here. And you want to expose the other ends of the wire exact same way you did the other end, except you could bring these down a little further just so that you can get the batteries on them. So I got a little 3.5 volt battery here, 3 volt battery, just to test out on. Make sure it's all hooked up right. So there you go. Red SMD hooked up.